Good morning, all. Welcome once again to our chemistry online class. So, on the last section, we discussed about the preparation of oxygen. Now, we are going to discuss about one of the compound of oxygen, that is ozone. You already heard about ozone layer, which is the protective layer of our earth. So, ozone, the word itself, ozone. Three oxygen atom is present since it is a triatomic molecule. It is one of the allotropic form of oxygen and it is very less stable than O2. Ozone is formed by reaction of dioxygen in the presence of ultraviolet rays. Here it's shown the resonance structure of ozone. Look at it. Ozone makes only 0.6 parts per million of atmosphere. Look at the formation of ozone. O2 molecule, when react in the presence of UV rays, it forms single oxygen molecule, and this oxygen molecule again react with O2 to form O3. So, when UV radiation falls on oxygen molecule, oxygen atoms are formed and these oxygen atoms react again with oxygen molecule to form ozone molecule. Characteristics of ozone. It is a pale blue color gas and it is very less soluble in water and also soluble in inert non-polar solvent like carbon tetrachloride, fluorocarbons, etc. It also forms blue color solution at 161 Kelvin and which contains to form dark blue color liquid. At temperature below 80 Kelvin, it forms violet black color solid. Ozone is considered as a powerful oxidizing agent. It is unstable at high concentration, decaying to ordinary diatomic oxygen. That's why it undergoes decomposition again to form oxygen molecule. Ozone, when oxidized in the presence of nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide are formed. That's a reaction given there. NO plus O3 giving NO2 plus O2. Ozone, when react with lead sulfide, it forms lead sulfate, where lead sulfide is oxidized to lead sulfate. Reactions of ozone. When ozone react with barium peroxide, it forms barium oxide and oxygen molecule. When it react with hydrogen peroxide, it forms water molecule and oxygen. When it react with potassium iodide, it liberate iodine. That's a reaction shown there. That's very important reaction. 2Ki plus O3 plus H2O giving 2KOH plus I2 plus O2. Looking at the uses of ozone. Ozone is used as a reagent in many organic reactions in the laboratory. It is used in cleavage of alkene compounds. In many hospitals around the world use large ozone generator to decontaminate operating rooms between surgeries. The rooms are cleaned and then sealed airtight before being filled with ozone, which effectively kills or neutralizes all remaining bacteria. It is used as an alternative to chlorine or chlorine dioxide in the bleaching of wood pulp. It is used to detoxify cyanide waste. It is used in conjunction with oxygen and hydrogen peroxide to eliminate the need for chlorine-containing compound in manufacturing of high-quality white paper. So these are the uses of ozone. So this much is we have to study for ozone molecules. So you understood the concept of ozone. Ozone, what is ozone? Ozone consists of 3 oxygen atoms. So it is a triatomic molecule. And what are the how to prepare ozone? It is a thermal decomposition reaction that takes place when UV ray falls on the oxygen molecule and to form oxygen atom. And these oxygen atom again react with oxygen molecules to form ozone molecule. That's why it is more stable allotropic forms, and it again undergo decomposition to give oxygen atom. Since we know the importance of ozone layer, there is a ozone depletion layer is been happened in our earth. It's because of the usage of these HCFC gases, CFC gases, etc. So lowering the uses of these gases can causes can create our ozone layer, a protective shield to protect our earth. So it's our duty and our responsibility to protect our earth from these poisonous gas. That's why in many countries these gases have been abandoned. It's mainly used in refrigerator, these CFC gases. When they spread in our atmosphere, it causes many kinds of problems. So, in many of the countries, mostly in India, CFC gases is fully abandoned. So, these are the properties of ozones. And you have to study the resonance structure, how to draw the resonance structure of ozone. The two form of structure is during the starting we explained the two form of ozone structure. You have to study that and study the reactions also. So hope you get the concept of ozone and its formation and its uses. The related link and the notes of this lesson is attached along with this. Go through the link and download the notes. A test paper is also been attached. Kindly attend the test paper without any fail. So, I'm just winding this section. See you on the next class. Till then, take care. Bye, students.